Yeah, we got that one, okay? We did this one, and this is where you guys had a problem.
So what is that now?
Seed.
So, that, you guys know what that is now, though, right?
Seed.
No?
It's a mature embryo.
Yeah, so this is a seed. So you got the seed coat. Got just the inside of the seed, and then radicals down here. Epicotyl, hypocotyl,
What was that?
cotyledons. Probably a little bit of endosperm residue down in here.
What's that suspender thing?
Oh, dispenser. Thing right through here, I think. Is there another picture of this up close to it? I guess not. Okay. So the suspensor is a connection between the embryo and the seed coat, or the fruit itself. So, right through there. It's what would have been the nucleus of in the flower. But this comes from the integument, and then this is the outside of it. So the whole thing is just a connection. Okay? So, pollen. And I think everybody got that one right, pretty much, didn't they? I could also ask about this. What's the outside coat called? Axine. Was this the flower you saw? No. Okay. So the same basic flower parts, but is this a superior ovary, an inferior ovary? An ovary?
Inferior. Inferior.
An inferior ovary. So if you use those other terms, is this flower epigynous, hypogynous, epigynous, or?
No clue.
So there's epi is above, hypo is below.
Oh, okay.
What's the one in the middle? Perigynous. Thank you. Perigynous. Okay, so which one is this? Well, this is the ovary down here. So the flower parts come out above it, not around it. So the female part is below. So it's, hypogynous. Female part below the flower. If these petals were, or if the corolla came down out of here, that would be the epigynous. Same thing we saw before, just bigger. So what is this? No takers on that one, huh? Not an ovary. It's an ovule. And you've got how many nuclei do you see in there? 2 up here, and 2 down here. So this is a 4-cell stage. And the nuclei look different, so it's the second 4-cell stage rather than the first 4-cell stage. And then the rest of this stuff, what are these things called? Integuments. What's this little channel up between the integuments? Microphile. What's the connection between the integuments and the placenta? Ranunculus. What's this space? Locule. What kind of fruit?
People.
Okay. Peepo. Somebody likes to say. How about this? What kind of fruit?
Berry.
Berry. What kind of fruit?
People. People, chulo.
Okay. And on the FO, what part is this part? What part of the fruit? Exocarp. What part's this? Exocarp. And then the lining in here? Endocarp. Okay. Another melon. That's upside down, but what are these?
Legumes.
Legumes. Yes.
Related to the peas.
How do I know it's upside down?
Yeah.
Don't they look like they're going to fall off that? That's right.
So peanuts related to peas?
Much better.
I did.
It looks like they're not going to fall off. Now they're properly arranged.
Wait, you changed it?
Okay, this is upside down too, but it doesn't matter. What type of fruit?
Oh.
Oh, okay. And so, what part is this part?
Floral tube.
Floral tube, accessory tissue, receptacle, any of that stuff. Good. So, fool you guys only one time, huh?
Not me.
This one we didn't see before,
Sleek.
but it was listed on one of your things. So, what plant, what flower are we looking at here?
California poppy.
Yeah.
California poppy.
California poppy. And what kind of fruit?
Looks like a sleek.
It pops open. A capsule.
Capsule. Okay.
This is upside down, so I must probably put them all in upside down. What type of fruit is this? You guys remember what this one was called in English?
In English.
Screw bean. Screw bean mesquite. So a bean is, what is a bean? A legume. So this is a legume. I got a lot of this watermelon must have been really loved by somebody, because I got a lot. This is an Australian watermelon now, because it's upside down.
That's great.
What type of fruit is that?
Aggregate.
Aggregate fruit's made from one flower or many flowers? One flower with many pistils. This is sideways. Here, I'll show you the fruit without the plant. There's a fruit without the plant. What kind of fruit was that?
Capsule.
Alot?
No. Spice bush, the plant.
Capsule.
Remember what spice bush was? Capsule. That's how it goes. We'll see one in focus a little bit. What kind?
Multiple fruits.
So multiple fruits are made from
Single
what kind
flower.
of flower? One or many flowers?
Many.
Many flowers.
Damn.
What type?
Legume.
Legume. There it is, opened up on the inside. What type of fruit?
Berry.
A berry. A yellow ball of some kind.
Yeah.
That's viridian?
Iridium.
There it is, opened up. So on this one, where is, what's the exocarp in it? Just the outside yellow part is the exocarp. This is a mesocarp, and this is where the endocarp is. And then all these juice sacs are not, they're essentially the locule.
Can you repeat that again?
Yeah, so the colored part on the outside of the rind is exocarp, the white part is mesocarp, and the lining of these, the part you eat, and that white stuff you pull off, that would be the endocarp.
So what is the exocarp oil gland?
I'm sorry, what is what?
Is the exocarp oil gland?
The exocarp has, well, yeah, the exocarp has the oil glands in it.
Okay.
Then you can see that spinner with squeezing these with fire and see what happens. Nobody did that?
No.
You guys have no experimental soul. What do you think that is?
People?
And so a pumpkin is?
People!
How about these?
Oh, I forgot.
Mara. Is it dehiscent or indehiscent? Remember what those words mean? Dehiscent are splitting of their own accord. Indehiscent don't split. So,
Dehiscent.
is this split or not?
No.
It is not split.
Unless you mean by leaving, it splits.
What's that?
Capsule.
And this, what type of fruit?
Rhizome. Capsule.
Capsule. Home again. What kind of fruit is this? Coconut, okay. What kind of fruit is a coconut?
People? No, not people. I mean, what was it? Droop.
Is this
Yeah,
the whole
droop.
fruit or just part? This is just the endocarp, right? So you get endocarp here. The exocarp is all the fibrous stuff in that, or the mesocarp is the fibrous stuff, and the exocarp is that big shiny thing on the outside of the coconut. What's this a picture of? Okay.
A what?
So what's this right here? Line of dehiscent. And what are these in here? Pollen grains. And what part is this part right here? Parts of the teeth? Tapetum?
Oh, yeah. Which one is that? The thing that's around.
This is just a younger version of what you just saw. So this is the tapetum right here. What are these here? No, they're not pollen grains yet. They're microspore mother cells. It's got to go through meiosis and then mitosis to become pollen grains. Some of them are trying to do it right now. You can see there's too many nuclei. And how many nuclei are this thing? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a mature ovule. The thing's not quite arranged all the way right there. It's pretty close. So here's, what's this little gap right here? That's a micropyle. So these are the integuments. And so on this one, it pretty much sort of make an assumption that we're looking at egg nucleus, the synergids, like this, and this are going to be the polar nuclei, and these are the antipodals up here. And since this is a lily, we've got, some of these are 3 ends, some of them are 1 end. They're big and ugly, they're 3 ends. Okay? That's just a little bit farther along. Stuff arranged properly now. It looks like this has been getting fertilized, yeah. But anyway, got the egg nucleus down here. That's the synergids here, polar nuclei here, antipodals up here. And that's all the picture back. That one. We got the, you want to see the communities again, or are you done with those maps there?
I think we can.